To enable DigitalOcean managed PostgreSQL, you need to have a DigitalOcean account and a basic understanding of cloud computing concepts. Start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the control panel. From there, click on the Create button and select Databases from the drop-down menu. In the Create a Database window, select PostgreSQL as the database engine and choose the desired cluster size. You can choose from a variety of plans, including Basic, Standard, and Premium, depending on your needs. You also have the option to choose the region where your database will be located. Once you have selected your database engine and cluster size, click on the Create Database Cluster button. DigitalOcean will then provision your PostgreSQL database cluster, which may take a few minutes. During this time, you can view the status of your database cluster in the control panel. After your database cluster has been provisioned, you can configure your database by clicking on the Actions button and selecting Settings. In the Database Settings page, you can configure parameters such as the database name, username, and password. You can also configure the database port and the SSL mode. To connect to your PostgreSQL database, you will need to use a PostgreSQL client such as PSQL. You can download the PSQL client from the official PostgreSQL website. Once you have downloaded the client, you can use it to connect to your database by specifying the database host, port, username, and password. DigitalOcean provides a number of benefits when using managed PostgreSQL, including automated backups, patches, and updates. This means that you do not have to worry about maintaining your database, as DigitalOcean will handle these tasks for you. Additionally, DigitalOcean provides high availability and scalability, which ensures that your database is always available and can handle large amounts of traffic. Best practices for using DigitalOcean managed PostgreSQL include regularly backing up your database, monitoring your database performance, and configuring your database settings for optimal performance. You should also ensure that your database is secure by configuring the SSL mode and using strong passwords. In conclusion, enabling DigitalOcean managed PostgreSQL is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of cloud computing concepts. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and easily set up a highly available and scalable PostgreSQL database that meets your needs.